Just like with a Word document, you can add a header and footer to one or multiple Excel worksheets in a workbook. Adding a header and/or footer with information such as the file name, page number, etc. is a great idea when you are working with a worksheet that will most likely be printed. To insert a header or footer, click on the Insert tab, then select Header and Footer. To insert a document element such as a page number, date, document title, etc., click inside an area in the header or footer. Then, under the Header and Footer Tools Design tab, select an element listed in the Header and Footer Elements group. Here you can choose page number, number of pages, current date, current time, file path, file name, and sheet name. It's not until you click outside of the area that you will see the text. To add a logo or picture to your header and simulate a watermark on your worksheet, if you haven't already, activate the header or footer by clicking the Insert tab and selecting Header or Footer. Place the cursor in the area of the header or footer and click Picture. Browse to and select the picture to add. To change the opacity, size, or formatting of the picture, once you have inserted it, click inside that area and select Format Picture from the Design tab. There, under the Picture tab, choose Washout in the color list under the Image Control area and click OK. Note, the picture will not appear until you click outside of the header or footer.